A day when Modi released manifesto, Congress has launched a massive counter-attack. Congress made specific charges against Modi over media report on gas project. Congress questions Gujarat government over gas exploration project.
Is it a fact that in and around the 21st of March 2003, there was a company incorporated in Barbados called Geo Global with a paid up capital of $64. Is it a fact that a gentleman called Jean-Paul Roy controls the company? Geo Global. $64. Jean-Paul Roy. Now, is it a fact, as has been brought out in the story, that around the 27th of March 2003, 27 March 2003 को, Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation, Geo Global and Jubilant Enpro formed a consortium to bid for a gas block of 4,57,000 acres in the KG Basin, the Krishna Godavari Basin, under the new Exploration and Licensing Policy 3. The block is ostensibly called OSN 2001/3. It was estimated that there is about 45 trillion cubic feet of gas in that block. Now, is it a fact that the government of Gujarat valued that gas at about $20 billion? Now, is it a fact that Geo Global was allegedly given 10% of the equity in this consortium because they had committed to bring proven international experience in gas and oil exploration to the table? Now, is it a fact that the same company, Geo Global, in its statutory declaration to the US authorities, ostensibly told its shareholders that prior to going into India, they had no prior experience in the oil and gas sector?
Now, news coming in, BJP has denied all these allegations by Congress over gas exploration project.
I really pity Congress. Congress has lost all its hope in Gujarat, but now it seems that they have lost balance too, because they are charging Gujarat government with the help of Tehelka that there is something scam. They should have really do homework properly. The mining has been okayed by DG's Director Hydrocarbon, and it has been cleared by every agency. So there is no scam. It's a completely above board, and it's an addition to the national wealth. But instead of appreciating Gujarat government, where ONGC also failed, Gujarat government with sheer industriousness has created a situation where you could get new natural resources for the country. Instead of appreciating, they are defaming Gujarat again, and defamation Gujarat is the only campaign of Congress.